Shannon in her dorm bed. Shannon in her dorm bed. These are the dorms. Peace dorms. That's the entrance. That's Shannon's closet. That's her dorm mate's closet.
Sharon.
Her name is Sharon.
Sharon and Shannon.
Sharon and Shannon, yeah. That's Sharon's bed. She's not here right now. Now I have the entrance door behind me. And there's Shannon all settled in.
It's comfy.
The closet's kind of cool.
On my homemade pillow.
She's got a lot of space to hang clothes too. Though we didn't get any hangers. Didn't think about that. Lots of shelving. Definitely need some color pop in here. It's like I want to run to the store and get posters for the walls because this is like beige walls city.
That's fine.
But cute. Look at the desk. 2 shelves on top. 2 on the bottom. Drawers. Snack central for nighttime. View. This is how Shannon's gonna wake up. That's her view out her window every morning. And that's the view out of the second window. That's the very tip of the Brooklyn Bridge down there. People getting on and off. Yeah. So that's the dorms. And Shannon, she's already ready to sleep.